May kanin, walang ulam, may bulsa, walang pera, may cellphone, walang pang-load, may kape, walang gatas, may kotse, walang panggas, may tablet, walang wifi, may trabaho, walang ipon, may tindahan, walang laman, may tinapay, walang palaman. Huwag kang mag-alala, magkakameron yan. May timba, walang tubig, may soft drinks, walang lamig, may candy, walang tamis, may lechon, walang sarsa, may sabaw, walang lasa, may chicharon, walang suka, may toothbrush, walang toothpaste, may cabinet, walang damit, may hikaw, walang bakaw. Huwag kang mag-alala, magkakameron yan. Talagang ganyan ang buhay, hindi pare-pareho, lahat laging may kulang, hindi lahat perfecto. May kama, walang kutsyon, may silya, walang mesa, may kusina, walang salas, may cheque, walang pondo, may bibig, walang boses, may 5, 6 na 1, 2, 3, may pasok, walang baon, panalo, walang premyo, mainit, walang aircon. Huwag kang mag-alala, magkakameron yan. Talagang ganyan ang buhay,